Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. Cloudy, rainy, snowy day. So this is my makeshift wood shop for now. Get back to doing some turning, some other projects, column support. But this is gonna be the fun one. I took a piece of wood like this, all beat to heck, bug eaten and everything. And then I turned it into a bowl shape, and now it's in here in this epoxy. So I'll turn this into a bowl and see what it looks like. And then I got this blank I made over here for something fun. If it turns out good, I'll show you. Lucy's waiting for me to throw the ball. So away we go. This is like every 5 minutes. Adios, God bless.